Do you want a pancake, Kobe? Do you want?
Да.
Do you want? Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to cook banana pancakes. Robert is busy. I'm going to cook alone. Unfortunately. Yeah, he's going. Okay. For this recipe, I'll need 2 eggs, milk, give it a good whisk, 1 banana. I will mash it just with my hands. Whisk, a pinch of vanilla, a tablespoon of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of honey. As I said before, I don't like to add sugar in my recipes. I think it's just not healthy for my baby. 120 grams of flour, a little bit of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm mixing the dry ingredients separately. And now I'm gradually will add in my wet ingredients. I'm mixing gently until it's well combined. Don't overmix it. One of the most important rules to achieve the perfect pancakes is to not overmix the butter. We'll leave our composition for 10-15 minutes. When you see the bubbles, it means it's time to flip them. Take it. So Daddy will cook it and Robert will eat it. It's a good plan? Sounds like a plan. Yeah, I'm cooking. It's a pancake. I'm cooking. Yeah, Robert is eating and Daddy is cooking. Okay? Nice plan. I'm cooking. I'm flipping the pancake. Okay, that's it. I think for Robert it's good.
Hai mami dai rot.
Banana. Little bit of sour cream.
Întâlnic.
Până n-au ieșit.
Burger.
Ștergi gurița că ești murdar. Hai, ieși șervețel, ștergi gurița.
Thanks for watching. Write in the comment below if you like our recipe. Do you want a pancake, Kobe? Do you want?
Da.
Do you want? Take. Kobe likes.
Please subscribe.
Yeah, please subscribe.